and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today we are going to be making Play-Doh strawberries. These are really simple but so cute. All you're going to need for this is a skewer, some red Play-Doh and some green Play-Doh. The first thing to do is to roll your red Play-Doh into a ball. I'm making 3 strawberries. Next, you want to taper the end. This is to make it look like a real strawberry. Next, we're going to take the skewer and mark some marks on the outside of the strawberry. This is to give it texture and to make it look real. Next, take some green Play-Doh and roll it into a long loop. Now we're going to get some leaf shapes. Use your skewer to make a hole in the top of the strawberry, and then you can put your leaves in the top. That's how you make Play-Doh strawberries. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone, and we will see you again very soon.